In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog in Wix. First, make sure you're on your preferred internet browser. Navigate over to Wix.com, the powerful website builder platform designed for beginners and experienced users alike. Once you're on the Wix homepage, locate the Sign In button. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If not, take a moment to set up a new account. It's a simple process, just follow the prompts. Once logged in, head over to your dashboard where you'll see an option that says Create New Site. Click on it, an action that takes you closer to launching your new digital story space. If prompted with chat options, simply click Without Chat to proceed smoothly. Wix might offer help or guidance through a chat box, but for this tutorial, we're bypassing it to focus on setting up your blog. You will then come across several optional steps or settings. Feel free to skip those for now, unless you're particularly drawn to them. Next comes the Design Site option. Click it, and think of it as your window to a visually appealing blog design. Wix offers a collection of templates fit for various themes and industries, so you don't need to start from scratch. Click on Pick a Template. Here, you'll see a wide range of blog themes catered to personal needs. Locate Personal Blog among the options. Browse through till you find something that resonates with your vision or style. When you find a suitable one, hit Edit on that template. This is where the magic begins. Wix's editor is incredibly intuitive, allowing you to adjust the template's layout, add elements like text, images, and multimedia, or even tweak color schemes to better reflect your brand or personality. Utilize the interface's drag and drop feature to rearrange elements as you please, ensuring each section serves a purpose in concluding your blog's identity. Take your time here. Play around with the settings until your blog looks inviting and authentic to your brand. If you have any unique content or images, now's the time to replace the placeholders with your material. Once you feel your blog is polished and ready, navigate to the Publish button found at the top right of your editor screen. Click it, allowing the changes to save, and your new blog will be live on the internet. Don't forget to celebrate. You've just created your blog using Wix, ready to share your ideas, stories, and insights with the world. That wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide has empowered you with the know-how to kickstart your blogging journey on Wix. Don't hesitate to explore more advanced features of Wix over time as your blog grows. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.